I'm Alex Thibodeau, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be talking about right triangles and how to solve them. So, let's get started. So this first triangle, we have 20 degrees, and it's obviously a right triangle. So it has a little notch right there, meaning 90 degrees. So the first thing we want to find is our other angle B. Actually, first we're going to plug in all of our things. So the capital letters stand for angles, and the smaller lowercase letters stand for sides. So let's plug them in. So first we have 20 degrees, which is an angle. So we're putting 20 degrees right here. And that's not the only degree that we have. This means 90, so they have C as a 90-degree angle. And also, we only have one side, and it's side A. That's 6. Because all of your angles are opposite to each other. So this is lowercase a. This would be lowercase c. And this would be lowercase b. So let's find angle B, since it's the easiest to find. All you would have to do is subtract 20 from 90, and you get 70 degrees. Because all of these angles must add up to 180 in order to be a right triangle. Now let's find sides B and C. We're going to be using SOHCAHTOA to find that. So first let's find angle B. So B is here, and we're going to be using these angles to find it. So the sine of A, so sine of 20 equals 6 over x. I'm sorry, it's not sine. Opposite over adjacent, which is tangent. So tangent 20 equals 6 over x. And so what you're going to do is multiply x to both sides. So you have x tangent of 20 equals 6. Now you're going to divide both sides by tangent of 20, and you're going to get x equals 16.5. And that's what you have for angle B. Now we're going to look for angle C. Side C. So you're going to do the same thing, but this time you're using opposite over hypotenuse, which is sine. So sine of 20 equals 6 over x. Now the same thing, you're going to multiply x by both sides, and you're left with x sine 20 equals 6. Again, you're going to divide both sides by sine of 20, and you're going to get x equals 17.5. And now we have solved our first right triangle. Now we're going to do the next right triangle. And let's fill it in. So this time we don't have an angle A. So we're going to leave that blank. But we do have an angle B, which is 35 degrees. And we also have an angle C, which is 90 degrees. So in order to find A, again we subtract 35 from 90, and you get 55 degrees. Now, this is angle B, again because they're opposite from each other. This is small a, and this is small c. So now, we're going to use angle B to find side B. So, that's opposite over hypotenuse, which is sine. Sine of 35 equals x over 18. Now for this one, you're going to multiply 18 by both sides. This cancels. So now you have 18 sine of 35 equals x. And whenever you solve that, you're left with 10.3. I forgot to add 18 because that is the side. And now we're going to look for side A. So this time you're going to do adjacent over hypotenuse, which is cosine. So cosine of 35 equals x over 18. Again, you're going to do the same thing, multiply both sides by 18. This one cancels. And then 18 cosine of 35 equals 14.7. And that is how you solve right triangles. Thank you. See you on the next video.